Now let us take one problem. Compute 8-point DFT of the sequence x of n is equal to 4 ones followed by 4 zeros based on DIT algorithm radix to FFT algorithm. Now the following is the sample of the butterfly. This butterfly consisting of two horizontal line. The first line named it as A, second line named it as B. In the line B there is a gain is omega n power of r. Then first line output will be A plus B omega n power of r. Second line will be A minus B omega n power of r. Let us now recall the basic complex functions. Recall it has done in the first module. So recall back, that is omega 8 power of 0 will be 1, omega 8 power of 1 will be 1 by root 2 minus j 1 by root 2. Omega 8 power of 2 will be minus j. Omega 8 power of 3 will be minus 1 by root 2 minus j 1 by root 2. Similarly, omega 4 power of 1 will be minus j. Omega 2 power of 0 will be 1. Now, what we need to do? First, draw 8 horizontal lines. So, first line you need to call it as x of 0. Its value will be 1. Second line will be x of 4. This value will be 0. Then x of 2, third line will be x of 2. Its value will be 1. Fourth line x of 6 will be 0. And x of 1 will be 1. X of 5 will be 0. X of 3 will be 1. X of 7 will be 0. Now, what we need to do? The first group, the last group contains 2 samples. You need to cross the 2 lines. The first line, you have to leave the first line. For the second line, there will be a 2 lines. Means it is a omega 2. Leave the first line. The second one you write omega 2 power of 0. Similarly, in the second group, leave the first line, then omega 2 power of 0. Again, in third group, leave the first one, omega 2 power of 0. Again, last 2 samples, leave the first one, write the second line, omega 2 power of 0. Why we have written omega 2 power of 0? Because there will be 2 lines, that's why omega 2. First line you leave, start with omega 0. So each stage output you have to calculate. I'll show you one stage output. This is the first stage output. This is x of 0 will be 1. Then x of 4 will be 0. 0 into omega 2 power of 0 will be 1. 0 into 0. Then 0 into 0. That will goes to here. Means 1 plus omega 1 plus b into omega 2 power of 0. That will be 0. Then its output will be 1. Similarly, the second output will be, so x of 1 it will comes to here. That means a. Then x of b will be that is x of 4. 0 into 1 into minus 1. 0. That means 1. Means the first stage output is clearly shown in the figure. Then comes to the second stage. What we need to do? In the first stage we have considered the 2 lines. Next second stage you have to consider simultaneously 4 lines. You have to map 1 to 1. It is shown in the diagram. And in this there is a 4 lines. Leave the top 2. Next 2 lines you have to write omega 4 power of 0 and omega 4 power of 1. Similarly, the down 4 lines, there is a top 2 lines you leave. The second 2 lines you have to write omega 4 power of 0 and omega 4 power of 1. Then we have shown you in the second stage output. The second stage output will be the 2, 1 minus j, 0, 1 plus j, 2, 1 minus j, 0, 1 plus j. Then for the third stage, you have to consider simultaneously 8 lines. In these 8 lines, the first 4 group, next 4 lines. First line should be mapped to the fourth line here. Like this, we have to cross 1 to 1. The finally you have to calculate the final stage output. The final stage output will be your x of 0, that is DFT signal, that is 4, 1 minus j 2.414, 0, 1 minus 0.414, 0, then 1 plus j 4.41. In this, the speciality of this DIT algorithm, inputs are splitted here, but the outputs are continuous. That means the first line output will be x of 0, capital X of 0, means first DFT signal. Second line will be x of 1. Third line will be x of 2. Similarly, follow same thing. It will be follow. The last line will be x of 7. In this DIT algorithm, inputs are splitted, but the outputs are continuous.